Hi grade 7, today let's talk about new lesson infectious disease. In this lesson you must know what's meant by number 1 non-infectious disease, number 2 infectious disease, number 3 antibiotic, and number 4 antiviral. Okay, you must know that all diseases can be classified into two types, non-infectious disease or infectious disease. So all disease around us can be classified into two types, non-infectious disease or infectious disease. Let's start with non-infectious disease. Non-infectious disease, the diseases that are caused by heredity or environmental factors. Heredity or environmental factors. Let's talk about diseases caused by heredity factors. For example, type 1 diabetes. Type 1 diabetes. Diabetes, it destroys cells to produce insulin. This makes it difficult for the body to use sugar for energy. Type 1 diabetes makes it difficult for the body to use sugar for energy. Why? Because it destroys cells to produce insulin. Let's know the difference between healthy and diabetic person. Healthy person and diabetic person. Healthy person has pancreas, produces insulin. Has pancreases produce insulin. But diabetic person, immune cells destroy beta cells in the pancreas. Immune cells destroy beta cells in the pancreas. So the result, pancreas can't produce insulin. Pancreas can't produce insulin. And so more sugar in the blood. So the difference between healthy person and diabetic person, healthy person, pancreas produce insulin. But diabetic person, pancreas can't produce insulin. Okay? The second disease, which is caused by heredity factors, hemophilia. Hemophilia. The blood of people who have hemophilia doesn't clot properly when they get a cut. When they get a cut. Let's know the difference between healthy person and hemophilia person. Healthy person and hemophilia person. Healthy person can clot the blood. But hemophilia person can't clot the blood. Inability to clot. So healthy person can make clotting for the blood. But hemophilia person, inability to clot the blood. Okay? So, hemophilia and type 1 diabetes, those are diseases which are caused by heredity factors. The second type of non-infectious disease caused by environmental factors. The second type of non-infectious diseases caused by environmental factors. Like what? Environmental factors make what? Cause mutation or changes in DNA. Cause mutation or changes in DNA. Okay? Sometimes the changes cause the cell to reproduce in an uncontrolled way. The environmental factors cause the cell to reproduce in an uncontrolled way. For example, cancer. Cancer is a disease which is caused by environmental factors. Like what? Like X-rays, smoking, air pollution. X-rays, smoking, air pollution. But you must know that cancer can have both heredity and environmental factors. Okay, so non-infectious disease caused by environmental factors like cancer. This disease is caused by X-rays, smoking, air pollution. Okay, environmental factors that cause mutation or changes in DNA. Now, let's know the diseases, the non-infectious disease. Let's know non-infectious disease. Non-infectious disease like what? Chronic lung disease, cancer, diabetes, heart disease. Okay, non-infectious disease caused by heredity or environmental factors. Thank you and goodbye.